Hey there, welcome back to Travel Closely. Today, we're diving into a question that many of you have asked: can you bring crystals on a plane? Let's break it down and make sure your precious gems make it to your destination safely. Crystals and gemstones are beautiful, and whether you're carrying them for personal use, a collection, or as gifts, it's important to know the rules before you travel. Here's what you need to know. First off, you can absolutely bring crystals in both your carry-on and checked luggage. They're not restricted by TSA, so you're good to go. Just remember, if you're carrying a large collection, it's best to pack them securely. To avoid any damage, pack your crystals in protective pouches or cases. You don't want them knocking around and getting scratched or broken. For larger crystals or fragile ones, consider wrapping them in clothing or bubble wrap for extra protection. At security, your crystals will likely need to go through the X-ray machine, so be prepared to take them out of your bag if asked. They might appear unusual on the screen, but don't worry, security personnel are used to seeing all sorts of items. If you're traveling internationally and bringing crystals with any electronic components, like those used in metaphysical practices, check the local regulations for any specific rules regarding their importation. So there you have it. Bringing crystals on a plane is totally doable with just a few simple precautions. Secure your crystals, be prepared for security checks, and enjoy your travels. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels and happy crystal hunting.